The way you're still half asleep before your first cup of coffee. The way you hold on to me when we're out in the cold. I could list off a million ways, but you just try to stop me.
Wow, ano yan?
Pinapabigay ni Christian.
Para sa aking pinakamamahal na Tenten. Una sa lahat, congrats sa atin. Sa wakas, aswan na tayo. At ito na ang simula ng bago nating yugto sa buhay ng magkasama. Sa travel or sa simpleng gala, puno man ito ng gamit o wala, sana lagi mong maalala na kasama ako sa bawat bit-bit mo, sa lahat ng bigat, saya at kwento ng araw-araw.
Love, simula noon, ikaw na ang aking naging tahanan. Ipinapangako kong mamahalin, rerespetuhin, at aalagaan sa lahat ng araw. Kahit na anong mangyari, tatawanan natin ang lahat ng problema. Hindi man ako perpekto, buong puso ko ay sa'yo lang. Ikaw at ako sa panghabang buhay. This watch is to remind you that every second with you is priceless. Trunks and a belt, wedding starter pack. Now you're fully equipped for our honeymoon and for keeping your pants up to married life. I can't wait to spend a lifetime making memories with you.
I'll love you for worse or for better, whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I knew inside your heart fit into mine. I'll love you in capital letters, whatever the weather. You hold me together. I told you we'd get here. I knew inside my heart got one thing right. You look like the rest of my life. You look like the rest of my life. I knew from the start your heart
pag-uumpisa ng isang yugto naman sa inyong buhay. Iwanan ninyo ang inyong pagkabinata at pagkadalaga at sisimulaan ninyo ang isang yugto ng inyong buhay, yung pagsisimula ng inyong bagong pamilya.
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
Today, I vow to you to love you as purely and as patiently as you have always loved me. As I carry our little miracle, together, we'll give our baby a home filled with laughter, faith, and unending love. I promise to choose you again and again.
Mga kapatid, mga magulang, nasaksihan natin na si Christian Alora at Christine Wibo ay humarap sila sa pamamagitan ng singsing na ito ay simbolo ng kanilang pangako sa isa't isa na walang putol, walang dugtong at ang kamatayan lamang ang makapaghiwalay sa kanilang dalawa.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better.